Today I'm gonna do a video on how to replace a side view mirror. I mean, not the mirror but the glass itself. So this is not the original one. I got this one from 335i, and I just want to replace the glass, so to a blue one, because on the other side I have a blue one, so just want to stick with one color. I got the new glass. It was pretty cheap though, and it has this is a heating one, and I don't have a heating with this vehicle, but anyway, it's gonna work. First, let's see if this is the right one. Yep, it is the right one. And if you notice that this has plastic around it, which makes a smaller mirror, and this vehicle actually has small mirrors, so this one is kind of bigger because it doesn't have the sides, so which is better. I just don't like this line here, but I guess that's for heating. So this is my first time doing it, so I don't know if it's gonna crack or not. Hope I don't break it. There we go. Came off. So yeah, this one has a heating one, but my vehicle doesn't have that. So I have 328i 2008, and like I said, this came off 335i. So I'm gonna just disconnect this. So yeah, I disconnected it. This is how it looks. Even though I bought a heating glass as well, I'm not gonna connect it because I don't have that option on my vehicle, and I'm just gonna put this wire inside there so it doesn't get on the way. There we go. I really don't need it. So let's try to put this on. I guess it's not that easy, but who knows? Yay. Make sure you don't press on sides because it will crack. Just go in the middle. Yay, so now my mirror is a little bigger. Okay, now let's check if it works. Yep, it works. And what I noticed, actually this part right here is the zoom kind of thing, or maybe it's a fisheye or something, but if you look here, it's fine, and then you look there, it's like zooms in or something. It's like a fisheye. It shows something like if you look at it from here. You can't really see this on the camera, but so I guess it's like two different mirrors here. So that's pretty cool. If you look on